Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jobs in Telugu States. Today I am going to upload one more question paper. Telangana. This is conducted by TSPSC, Telangana State Public Service Commission, for the post of Assistant Librarian at Telangana Medical Colleges in 2018. So this question paper very useful for upcoming notification assistant librarian for the post of assistant librarian, recently established medical college at Telangana. So viewers, those who are watching my channel, please subscribe and please click on bell icon for getting more question paper and more updates in future also. So friends, I start this question and answers explanation. In this question paper, out of 150 questions, today I am going to upload part 1 only. Up to 80 questions I want to upload. Remaining 70 questions I will upload tomorrow, part 2. So please friends, watch and please subscribe. Okay. So I will start the first question. Which of the following statements explain the concept of copyright? Which of the following statements, out of 4 statements, for A, B, C, D, 4 statements given below. So out of 4 statements, explain the concept of copyright. So answer is that blue tick mark is the right answers. 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. Out of 4 options, 1, 2, 3 is correct. So A, B, C is correct, and D, anyone can copy and distribute work without any cost. This is a false statement. This is not correct. So remaining 3 are correct. DRM is an extension of copyright. There is no international copyright law. Rights assigned to the author to print, publish, sell the copies of their works. So first 3 is the correct answers. Next question, the service of guiding users to another appropriate library. The service guiding the users, when the users are coming to the library, we will refer to another library appropriate, that is called a referral service. This is an important question, application oriented question. So first question is a little bit tough, and that is also assertion and reasonable type of question, first one. So second question, application type, answer is referral one. The blue tick mark, blue one is the right answer. Out of 4 options, right answer is referral service. Next, Lenin State Library is located at. This is a important one and easy one. Lenin State Library, everyone knows, it is located at Moscow. Moscow is the correct answer. Next, mail merge function is used to. This is a computer oriented. Mail merge, everyone knows, is used Word, Excel. So mail merge function, main function is the right answer is send letter to the multiple recipients is the right answer. Send letters to the multiple. We send one letter to at a time multiple receivers. So that is the correct answer. Next question, CCF. This is an easy one. As a basic fundamental question in library science. CCF defines, CCF stands for common communication format. It's easy one. So that's the right answer. Common communication format is the right answer. So next question number 6th. According to Indian copyright law, the copyright of books expires after. So everyone knows Indian copyright law is 1957. So copyright law of books expired after the lifetime of author plus 60 years. This is the right answer. Lifetime of the author and plus 60 is the correct answer. Copyright law in the year of 1957. Knowledge purpose I am telling you some more points also. So question number, next question, paste it for match the following type of question given. So A, B, C, D and opposite list B 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So matching. So right answer is A 3, B 4, C 2, D 1. So A, facet B is not possible without facet A. Right answer for this one, wall picture principle. For A, 3 is the correct. For B, payset B is a part of payset A. So B is the right answer is whole organ principle. So B 4 is the right option. And C, payset A and payset B of A subject always be kept together. Right answer is second one, Cow-Calf principle. So D, payset B denotes the action of payset A. D is option 1, action actor tool principle is the right answer. Option 1 is the. So friends, A3, B4, C2, D1 is the right answer. For next question, question number 8, best, again match the following question. This question paper little bit tough. This, so some of the questions given application type, some match the following, some are basic questions. So question number 8 also match the following. Right answer is A for 2, B for 4, C 1, D 3. So we will explain once again. Best trading the largest number at least cost. Say easy one, Melville DB. This statement, this is are nothing but library science statements given by so statement given by Melvin DB. Best readings largest number at least cost. This is previous question also. Next B, best books are those that satisfy just demands of. B, right answer is C.A. Cutter. That statement given by C.A. Cutter. C1, McColvin. Books are no values unless they are made. Given by McColvin. So D, right book at right reader at right time. This is very important one. D3, Henry F. Dury principle. Drury principle service by the demand. Right book, right reader, right time given by Dury. So A2, B4, C1, D3 is the right answers for question number 8. Next we will go for question number 9. Anglo American cataloging rules 2R. इसमें 1I 2I 2R revised edition है. AACR 2R is published in the year revised edition 1988 is the right answer. AACR 2 revised is published in the year 1988 is the right answer for question number 9. 1988 correct answer. Question number 10. Ulrich periodical directory is currently published from which publisher. Ulrich periodical directory is published by ProQuest is the right answer. ProQuest. Next question number 11 is the match the following. Question SDI referral document delivery service, reprographic service given, and opposite 4 options given. So we can match each one. So 11th question answer we will see. 11th question answer is A4, B1, C2, D3. A4, B1, C2, D3 is the correct answer. Where is the Library of Congress is located? This is a easy question, previous question. We already seen yesterday I uploaded Vikram Sarabhai Space Center question paper also. We already explained this question. It is located USA, Washington DC. It's located USA, Washington DC is the right answer. Library of Congress located at Washington DC. So patents belongs to which type of resources? Primary resources. Patents are everyone basic question, previous question, fundamental question. So primary resources is the right answer. Primary sources. So management by objective, this is also previous question. Question number 14 right answer is Peter Drucker is the right answer. Peter Drucker correct answer. Who is regarded as father of scientific management is a F.W. Taylor. Father of scientific management is right answer is F.W. Taylor. Blue tick is the right answer. Friends, please watch carefully and read the questions. Who is regarded father of scientific management? F.W. Taylor is the right answer. And question number 15th right answer. And MBO everyone knows in the year 1954 by Peter Drucker. So next question number 16. Consecutive serial number assigned each book is called consecutive serial number. That is nothing but accession number, friends. Some other way it is asking like this. So application questions. Please can use library aspirants can understand these type of questions in future also. Accession number, nothing but accession number is the right answer for question number 16. Next question number 17. Indian Journal of Medical Research published by Indian Journal of Medical Research is published by ICMR, Indian Council of Medicinal Research. ICMR published Indian Journal of Medical Research. So this is almost question related answer is there. So friends, you can easily find this type of questions. Next question number 18. Universities Handbook of India published by, this is previous question. It is already seen so many examination. University Handbook published by Association of Indian Universities, AIU. This abbreviation is Association of Indian Universities. Some examinations options giving like this, AIU, nothing but Association of Indian Universities. So next question number 19. Next question number 19, friends. CCF, already we see in this question paper, CCF defines one question already came, common communication format. But in this question number 19, asking another way, CCF is introduced by whom? By whom? UNESCO. Which organization? Common communication format introduced by UNESCO, United Nations Educational Scientific Cultural Organization, I think, UNESCO. Introduced by UNESCO. So 19th question answer, UNESCO. Who authored the book Prolegomena to library this is library classification. This is also previous question and important question. Right answer is S.R. Ranganathan, authored Prolegomena of library classification by S.R. Ranganathan. Next question number 21 is the match the following type of question. Four options given and opposite four alternates given, so we can match the suitable answers with. So A for OCLC is the World Catalog. This is a online computer library catalog is a OCLC is a World Catalog. B3 National Library is PubMed. PubMed is the National Library, right answer. C1 ERIC Educational Research. Education means Digital Library of Education is the right answer. Educational Research Information Center, ERIC matched with the Digital Library of Education, option 1. And D ND National Digital Library thesis and dissertations, I think this abbreviation, fourth one. So it is suitable with D2 Digital Library of Electronic Thesis and Medicinal Dissertation. Digital Library of Electronic Thesis and Dissertation. So option 2 is suitable. So A4 B3 C1 D2 for 21 question, right answer is option 1. So next question number 22. Who is who? Again match the following. Who is who in Science Travelers Companion ELISA test? Four options given. Right answer is A2. Who is who in science? A2 is bibliographic source. Who is who in India? Who is who in science? These are who is who in science. So some scientist names like this. So this is a biographical source. A2 right answer. Travelers compensation. This is, I think, B3 geographical. Travelers means geographical source. So C4 Lisa Library Information Science abstract. C4 abstract, it is abstract in abbreviation Library Information Science abstract. So abstract given. So right answer is 4. C for 4. Next D for 1 Thesaurus. Test is a Thesaurus. Mesh also Thesaurus, like that. So next question number 23. International Conference on Cataloging Principles 1961. It is held at Paris. Right answer is Paris. ICCP, like that also asking in some examinations. ICCP, this is nothing but International Conference on Cataloging Principles. It is held 1961 at Paris. So 23rd question, right answer is option 2 Paris. Next question number 24. Let's see, easy one. Bandwidth is measure of rate of data transmission. This is a previous question in Navodaya KVS examination, librarian examinations also. Rate of data transmission, bandwidth is a measure of rate of data transmission. So question number 24, rate of data transmission is the right answer. Good officer, GOC, good officers committee. GOC, some examinations is asking like that. GOC defines. So good officers committee. But here it is asking another way. Good officers committee is formed to. Question number 25. Formed to. Right answer is decide currency conversion rates. So friends, when the books price is in foreign currency, we will choose this GOC website. We will easily convert Indian rupees to foreign rupees, foreign currency to Indian rupees, like that. Good conversion of rates. So decide the currency conversion rate. So this is the best answer for that question. Question number 25. Next question number 26 in ASER 2 Anglo American Cataloging Rules 2, GMD defines G abbreviation. This is abbreviation. GMD means General Material Designation. Out of 4 options, General Material Designation is the right answer. This is also previous question in UGC NET examination. So friends, question number 26, GMD is the right answer. Next question number 27, again match the following question. GIF MP3, some formats given, AVI PPT. So options are like this. A for 2, image, GIF format. GIF is a image format. GIF, GIF image. We seen when the some articles are download, some newspaper clipping download, that is GIF files downloading, like that it is showing. So that is image format. MP3 is a audio, everyone knows. It's audio, MP3 songs audio. Next AVI means C for 4, audio and video. AVI means audio and video. So DPPT means presentation. PPT means PowerPoint presentation. So presentation is the right answer. So A for 2, B for 3, C for 4, D for 1. Question number 27. 4 is the right answer. Next question number 28. First edition of DDC consists of how many pages? DDC published in 1876, everyone knows, by Melville Davey. It is first edition published in 42 pages only. It's a easy question, fundamental question, previous question also. So 42 pages, first edition published DDC in the year 1876. So 28th question, 4 is the right answer. Next question number 29. What are the primary sources of information? Sources that provide first hand information. First hand informations under category of primary source of information. So option 1 is the correct answer for question number 29. That blue one, blue tick one. LAN means local area network. Basic question, fundamental question in it's IT related question. Question number 30, local area network. Next question number 31, number of canons of cataloging enacted by S.R. Ranganathan. Canons of cataloging given by S.R. Ranganathan. How many numbers of canons? 9. Right answer is 9. 31. Right answer is 9. Next question number 32. The book Five Laws of Library Science published in the year is enacted in the year is 1928. This question is asking in two ways. The book Five Laws of Library Science is enacted in the year 1928. Question is asking in that that type of question also asking. Here the book Five Laws of Library is first published in the year 1931 is the right answer. So Public Library Manifesto, question number 33, brought out by this previous question in KVS, Navodaya, and so many librarian examinations. Public Library Manifesto brought out by UNESCO. Brought out by UNESCO is the right answer. Next, big million book project is led by, this is UGC NET previous question also. Million book project is led by Carnegie Mellon University. Carnegie Mellon University is the right answer. Book million book project led by Carnegie Mellon University. Next, first question number 34, right answer, Carnegie Mellon University. Question number 35, first computer resembling today's modern machines was designed by. Computer, nothing but computer invented by Charles Babbage is the right answer. Father of computer. Who is the father of internet? Tim Berners-Lee. Email Tim Berners-Lee. So father of computer is Charles Babbage. 35 question is Charles Babbage is the right answer. Next question number 36. MOOCs. This is nowadays online learning platform. MOOC is a massive open online courses. This is a very important question and it's a repeated question uses in net examination. Paper 1 it is already asked question. So MOOCs nowadays, MOOCs platforms, Swayam, we seen so many MOOCs courses, webinars are conducting through MOOCs, some diploma courses through MOOCs. Massive online, open online courses is the right answer for question number 36th. 37th question, who is the author of rules for RDC, rules for dictionary catalog? It is given in the year 1876. It is DDC first edition year also. So rules for dictionary catalogs, author was C.A. Cutter. This is a important basic and previous question. Question number 37 right answer is C.A. Cutter. Question number, Infoterra is a referral system in the field of environmental science. This is also previous question. Question number 38, Infoterra is a referral system in the field of environmental science is the right answer. Question number 38, environmental science is correct answer. Question number 39, chemical abstracts published by whom? Publisher whom? Chemical abstracts published by which publisher? So question number 39 right answer is American Chemical Society. Right answer is American Chemical Society is right answer for question number 39. And 40th question, PRECIS, preserved context indexing system. PRECIS abbreviation is preserved context indexing system. PRECIS is designed and developed by Derek Austin, Popsy G. Bhattacharya. So knowledge purpose, when we were this PRECIS role operators also using in PRECIS. So knowledge, for getting knowledge purpose, I am telling PRECIS related one more points also, 1 or 2 points also. PRECIS role operators ante asking this way also, role operators used in PRECIS. PRECIS defines means preserved context indexing system. So PRECIS is given by Derek Austin. So at the same time POPSI also there. POPSI means so POPSI given by G. Bhattacharya. So question number 40 is the right answer, Derek Austin. Next, glossary is a list of technical words with definitions. It's important one, very important question, repeated question, previous question. 41, glossary is a list of technical words with definition is the right answer. Question number 42, recall and precision is related to. So friends, those who are watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe and share with your library groups. It's very useful for all examinations. So that's why I'm explaining this question and answers. This blue tick one highlighted all the right answers. Please go through this question paper. Those who are watching, you can listen carefully. My voice also is clear for those who are watching the. Please, you have any doubts, please mention in comment section. So next question number 42, recall and precision is related to evolution of retrieval efficiency. This question is a little bit tough and some innovative type of question, application oriented. Recall and precision related to evolution of retrieval efficiency. Question number 42 is the right answer. 42 right answer is evolution of retrieval efficiency. Next 43 is easy one, fundamental question. Kudbaksha Oriental Library located at where? It's the easy one. So many examinations is already seen. Patna is the right answer. Kudbaksha Oriental Library, Patna. Kannemara, Chennai. Raja Ram Mohan Rai National Library at Kolkata. Like this type of this knowledge purpose I am telling 3-4 points also. So any question, Kannemara, sometime Chennai it is there, and National Library, say biggest library in India, is located at Calcutta. Next question number 44, again match the following given. 4 options given and opposite 4 list B options also given. So POPSI given by everyone knows is easy one, is the easy as the following: Popsy by Gattacharya, Priest is already we explained, Derek Austin. Chain procedure is the right answer, is S.R. Nanganathan chain procedure. So D is one keyword in context. So Kivik is a right answer, is Luhan. So A is A3, B2, please is B2. So C2, A, sorry friends, A right answer 3, B4, C2, D1 is the right answer for question number 44. Next question number 45, prenatal cataloging is proposed by S.R. Nanganathan. Simple prolegomena of classification and prenatal cataloging also S.R. Nanganathan given. So 45 question right answer S.R. Ranganathan. Next question number 46, which of the following is not ancient writing material? Not, please watch carefully, not, it is mentioned not ancient writing materials. Plastic. So remaining options papyrus like that given. So out of 3 are correct. Plastic is not a ancient writing material. So we will go for question number 47. Micropedia is a part of Encyclopedia Britannica 15th edition. In Encyclopedia, Micropedia, Macropedia, Propopedia, like the spots are there. Micropedia is a part of Encyclopedia Britannica 15th edition is the right answer. So friends, 47th question, Encyclopedia Britannica 15th edition is a part of Micropedia. So next 48th question, the complete catalog record is of an item in the library is called main entry is the right answer. Out of 4 options, cross reference entry, unit card, added entry given. So main entry, blue one, is the right answer. The complete catalog record of an item in the library is called main entry. Question number 48, main entry, right answer. Next question number 49, again match the following is given. Match the following is given, 4 options and list B 4 options given. A3, B4, C2, D1 is the correct answers. A3, B4, C2, D1 is the correct answer. A3 means copyright, fair use always related to copyright. So A3 correct. Next B4, library says library legislation. 19 states library legislation have. So so library says related to library legislation. C2, library pilgrimage. Library pilgrimage is related to C2, Ayyanki Venkatramaya. Ayyanki Venkatramaya is the right answer. Book exhibitions are library extension services. Book exhibition, library talks, these are also library extension services. So right answer say A3, B4, C2, D1 for question number 49. 3 is the right answer. Next 50th question, Agris, AGRIS, Agris is maintained by Food and Agriculture Organization. FAO, it is located, everyone knows this GK oriented question also. FAO at Rome, sometimes question also asking like that also. FAO located at where? It is located at Rome. Agris maintained by Food and Agriculture Organization. So 50th question, 3 is the correct answer. Next question number 51. Again 4 options given: Soul, CDS, ISIS, Koha, E Grandhalaya. So again list B 4 options given. For A for 4, Soul is given by Inflibnet. Software for university libraries. So Soul is abbreviation, software for university libraries. It is given by Information and Library Network, Inflibnet. It is located, Inflibnet located at where? Some examination, Inflibnet is located at where? It is located in Ahmedabad is the right answer. So Inflibnet given Soul software, software of university libraries, Soul abbreviation. So B, CDS ISIS, computerized. So CDS ISIS is right answer is B3, UNESCO. CDS ISS given by UNESCO. UNESCO abbreviation also everyone knows, United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organizations is a UNESCO abbreviation. So Koha is a open source software, everyone knows Koha open source software. Koha developed by New Zealand Capital Communications. So knowledge purpose I am telling some more points related to Koha. D. E-Grandhala, National Informatics Center located at Delhi, is a free open source software. E-Grandhala given by National Informatics Center, it's located Delhi. So NIC is the right answer. A4, B3, C2, D1 is the right answer for 51 question. Next question number 52. Who coined the postcarb? It's a important question. I already uploaded 7 question papers till today. So this is the question number 8. This part 1 today I am going to upload. Up to part 1 means 80 questions today I am uploading. Remaining 70 questions I am uploading in part 2 tomorrow. So friends, postcard is related to library management question. It's already I think I already uploaded 7 question paper. Out of 7 papers, I think 5 question papers is already repeated question, important question. Postcard given by Rutal Gulik is the right answer. 52 question, 4 is the right answer. Rutal Gulik is the right answer. Next question number 53. Keyboard, some library computer related question. 4 options given, list B 4 option also give alternates also given. Keyboard is A3, input keyboard input device, some input output devices purpose question given. So keyboard input device. B4, printer output, printer is always output device. C2, storage, floppy disk is a storage device. RAM, random access memory, and ROM also there, read only memory. So here asking RAM is D1, volatile memory means temporary memory, nothing but sometimes is given temporary. Volatile memory is a temporary, RAM is a temporary memory, ROM is a permanent memory. ROM is a permanent memory. So A3, B4, C2, D1 is the right answers. For question number 53, 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the right answer. Next question number 54. The slogan Grandhalaya Vedam read out by Chilkamarti Lakshmi Narasimham. Given Grandhalaya Vedam is read out by Chilkamarti Lakshmi. Slogan, this is slogan. Grandhalaya Vedam is the slogan journal. This is given by Chilkamarti. This is a Telugu person from the Andhra Pradesh. Chilkamarti Lakshmi Narasimha is a well-known person. So this question is somewhat new for library aspirants. Question number 54. Right answer Chilkamarti Lakshmi Narasimha. Next question number 55. Indexing, chain indexing was used. Chain indexing is initially used in British National Bibliography, BNB. It is used, chain indexing mainly used in BNB, British National Bibliography. 55 question, right answer is BNB. Next 56th question. The connecting symbol used to denote PMEST, some symbol in colon classification, PMEST. E denotes, E for what in colon classification, E for what, symbol E denotes what in colon classification. The symbol is colon, E for colon, E denotes always colon. So right answer is colon. 56th question. 57th question. National Library for Blind and Visually Handicapped located at, it is easy question, repeated question, previous question also. Dehradun. National Library for Blind, and one library exclusively started for blind and visually handicapped people. Where it is located in this question asking. So Dehradun, it is a Dehradun. 57th question answer is Dehradun. 58th question. National Library of India, previously known as Imperial Library. It's an important question, and National Library knows, everyone knows, it is located in Calcutta. Is also depository library. It is a big, very largest library in India. So earlier its name is Imperial Library. 58th question. So Imperial Library is the right answer. 59th question. Breast cancer in in colon classification. In DDC breast classification is under So why this question asking in this is a conducted for medical college assistant librarian examinations. That's why medical related journals already seen and some medical related journal names are asking. Medicinal libraries where it is locating asking. So here in DDC number is not visible in this question, but it is a DDC number for breast cancer. What is the number for breast cancer under DDC number asking. Out of 4 options, right answer is 616.994. 616.994 is the DDC number for breast cancer. So question number 59, 61 is so that is question number 59. Next question number 60. This is a medical examination assistant librarian for medical colleges. That's why these type of questions asking. So 60th question, American Library Association, ALA. Earlier it ALA defines American Library Association, formed in the year 1876 is the right answer. 1876 correct answer. DDC is first edition year also. It rules for dictionary catalog by Cutter also 1876. Some more points for getting knowledge. So next question number 61, part 1 of AACR 2 deals with description. AACR 2 is the 2 parts, I think part 1, part 2. Part 1 is AACR 2 deals with description is the right answer. Question number 61, description is the correct answer. Question number 62, mesh is a thesaurus for medical vocabulary. Mesh is a thesaurus for medical vocabulary. This is also medical related question asking. So mesh is a thesaurus, everyone knows this is a medical thesaurus, medical vocabulary thesaurus. So question number 62 correct answer. Next question number 63, Athens is a identify access management service. This is a innovative and informative question, and compared to other questions this is a different one and little bit tough. Open Athens is a identify access management service. And colon classification, next question, question number 64, colon classification 7th edition. Total colon classification first edition published in 1933 by S.R. Ranganathan. Colon classification total 7 editions. 7th edition is example for analytico synthetic classification. This is a example of analytico synthetic classification. 7th edition of colon classification is what type of classification? Analytico synthetic classification. Out of 4 options, option 1 correct and the remaining 3 options not correct. So question number 65, number of tables in DDC 19th edition 7 tables. DDC total 19th edition 7 tables are there, but on 23rd edition, latest edition is in 6 tables only. So for getting in that type of question also we see in earlier previous papers. So latest DDC edition has 6 tables only, but here number of tables in DDC 19th edition asking. So so 7 tables is the correct answer, but latest, when question is asking latest edition DDC, only 6 tables is the right answer. Next question number 66, main use of self list is for self list is shelf list is mainly used for stock verification in libraries. Next question number 67, which of the following is not a Boolean operator? Everyone knows Boolean operator, and or not are the Boolean operators. So out of 4 options, 3 are Boolean operators, 1 is not a Boolean operator. So we can easily find out Boolean operator, and the Boolean operators in library professional people everyone knows and or not are the Boolean operators. So option if given, so not so question in not is asking, so you can easily find the answers. So question number 68, MS Office is the example for application software. MS Office is a application software. It's a easy fundamental question in library science. It's application software. Next question number 69, again match the following question. Cardex interlibrary loan renewal charging some for A, B, C, D given, and list B some alternatives given. Everyone knows Cardex used for keeping visible records of periodical serial publications के लिए Cardex use करते. So A 3 is the correct one for A, correct alternative 3. B, interlibrary loan is nothing but transaction of books between two libraries. Mutual between transactions of two libraries is called interlibrary loans. Everyone knows this, professional people, this application type also. See practical question. C1, renewal, extension of loan period means nothing but renewal. So extension of loan period. Charging, D2, the process of issuing book out of library is called charging. Discharging means return, charging means issuing book out of the library. लाइब्रेरी से बुक बाहर इश्यू करने तो वो चार्जिंग बोलते हैं. डिस्चार्जिंग मीन्स रिटर्न. सो क्वेश्चंस आर आस्किंग दिस वे आल्सो. So 69th question, A3, B4, C1, D2 is the right answer for 69th question. Next question number 70. Volume 4 of DDC 23rd edition consists of volume 4. So 4 volumes of DDC 23rd edition is John Midson editor. So 23rd is a latest edition. So it's DDC 23rd latest edition, 6 tables only. So in this 4 volumes, it is published 4 volumes. Volume 4, asking only volume 4 denotes what? It's a relative index. Volume 4 is a relative index. So out of 4 options, summary, schedule, tables given. So fourth volume exclusive for relative index, DDC latest 23rd edition, edited by John Midson, and its edition have DDC latest edition have 6 tables only. For more points I am explaining for gain the knowledge. Next question number 71. Which canon of classification says that the arrangements of classes in an array of classes should be helpful to the users? Canons of helpful to the users. In question some answer also related. Canon of helpful sequence. Canon of helpful sequence is the right answer. I will repeat question once again. 71 question. Which canon of classification says that the arrangement of classes in an array of classes should be helpful to users? Right answer is canon of helpful sequence. So 71 question answer is canon of helpful sequence. Next question number 72. The first all Hyderabad library conference. This is question is little bit tough. 71 also tough, and some other new to the library professionals. And the first all library Hyderabad library conference held in the year 1954. So this is conducted by TSP, Telugu States Examination. That's why Hyderabad library related question asking. Question number 72. The first all library Hyderabad library conference held in 1954. 72 right answer is 1954. PDF, everyone knows. 73 question, abbreviation PDF files. When we are always downloading JPG files, PDF files. What is PDF? Defines portable document format. Easy question, basic fundamental question. Portable document file is the right answer. Next we will go for question number 74. Question number 74. 1 second. Again match the following. 4 options given, and list B given for 4 alternatives. So A for 4, Seral's Journal of Information Management. 4, Sharada Ranganathan Endowment Library Science is the correct alternative for option A. Seral's Journal of Information Management, published by Sharada Ranganathan Endowment Library Science. So A4. B1, Annals of Library Information Studies. P for 1, NISCARE. Is NISCARE published. This all are journals published by whom? Option opposite to some published agency name given. So Annals of Library Information Studies published by NISCARE. NISCARE is a science, so national scientific related journals. In NISCARE, famous one for it gives for serials ISSN number. It is located Delhi. NISCARE always gives ISSN number. So this Nisker published Annals of Library Information Studies. So C. Grandhalaya Sarvaswamulu is right answer is AP Library Association. C for 2. C correct option alternative is 2. AP Library Association published Grandhalaya Sarvaswamulu. So D. Collected Journal of Scientometric and Information Management. This journal published by Taylor and Francis is a well-known publishing agency. Taylor and Francis publishes Collected Journal of Scientometric and Information. So this question is a little bit tough. So friends, you can read thoroughly. Next question number 75. Service designed to specific needs of users. Say easy question. Right answer is selective dissemination of information, SDI service. Question number 45. Service designed to specific needs of users is called SDI service. And specific group of users को information पास करने तो उसको सर्विस में SDI सर्विस में पॉसिबल होता है. SDI service is given by HP Lohan. And knowledge purpose I am explaining alternates also, options also. Second, current awareness services also given. And 3, bibliography, 4, referral. So correct answer is service specific group of users. Whenever we seen in question, that right answer is always SDI service में possible होता है. So SDI is the right answer for a special group of users. So next question number 76th, again match the following is given. Classification, cataloging, subject headings and reference. And list B में, list 2 में some alternates also given. So classification A to UDC is the classification system. Say cataloging ACR2R is the classification. And B1 A2 classification UDC, cataloging ACR2R. Right answer. Subject headings C4, Library Congress subject heading LCSH is the correct answer for subject C4. D, reference means dictionary, directory of Commonwealth University is the one reference source. So D3, so directory of Commonwealth University. Question number 76, A2, B1, C4, D3. Next question number 77. Ranganathan's canons of classifications are grouped into 3 planes. What are there? Ranganathan's canons of classification is divided and grouped into 3 planes. Is a basic question. So ideal, verbal and notational planes. This is a basic and previous question also. So right answer is for question number 77, ideal, verbal and notational plane. Next question number 78. What is the standard size of catalog card? So it's easy, fundamental and practical question. We see in any library catalog card is also common. So what is the size of catalog card? 12.5 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter. So 12.5 centimeter to into 7.5 centimeter. Right answer. Catalog, that is the catalog original size. 78th question is the previous question, important question in future also. Next question number 79. Inflibnet headquarters. I already explained, one question already came. Inflibnet, that Soul software of university and libraries given by Inflibnet. At that time I explained Inflibnet is located at Information Library Network, located at Gujarat, Ahmedabad. So in this 79th question, Ahmedabad is the right answer. Next question number 80. Which of the following is a citation index? Question number 80. Following is a citation index. So right answer is Web of Science is a citation index. So 4 options. Web of Science is the citation index. Options given Science Direct, Science Finder, like that. But remaining out 3 options are not correct. Citation index service is a Web of Science is the correct answer for question number 80. Next friends, today I am explaining only 80 questions in part 1 video. This is part 1 video for the post of assistant librarian examination for medical colleges, Telangana medical colleges in the year 2018. In this, out of 150 questions, now I am going to upload 80 questions in part 1 video. Tomorrow I will upload remaining 70 questions with explanations. So viewers, those who are watching my channel, please subscribe friends, and subscribe, please click on bell icon for getting more updates in future. I will upload more question papers and job notifications also. I am uploading my channel. So friends, this question paper more used for Telangana upcoming notification assistant librarian for medical college approval already given for 15 posts. Very soon the notification will be given by TSPSC. And this question paper another in the view of AIMS also I am uploading. AIMS already New Delhi AIMS notification came for the post of librarian documentation assistant, and AIMS BB Nagar notification also came. So that examination going to be held very soon. So this medical assistant librarian question paper very useful for AIMS examinations also. Those who are preparing library aspirants, library competitive examination, friends, very useful for upcoming exams. So friends, please subscribe my channel. Please, if you have any doubts, please mention on comment section. Thank you friends. Okay.